Okay, let's try installing a package. Um, I believe that this package that was written by a former professor at APU. I think this is the same person. Uh, he's at another university now. But let's take a look at it first. It says the name of the package is called Nippon. And it says Japanese utility functions and data. So let's first try to install it. So one way to install it, instead of using the commands, is to go to here and install packages. And then you have to just choose a mirror site to download it from. So I'll choose something nearby, in Japan maybe, in Tokyo. And then this appears, and you select the package. Nippon, I'm going to try. Here it is. Okay, I'll just say yes. Okay, now it says it was installed. Da, 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 da. And next. Okay, so after we install it, then we can use it. I'm sorry, after we load it, we can use it. And by the way, it has what each packages generally have what are called dependencies. That is, they use functions from other packages, so you have to install the other packages as well. But normally, it will install all the dependent and the packages that this package depends on automatically. So anyway, but this one says it depends on something called map tools, and I'm not sure what this means. Does that mean that he suggests that you have this, or maybe that he suggests that you look at these? I'm not sure. Anyway, then you can go to then you can go to here, and you can see the documentation for the package. And package provides some Japanese utility functions and data that may be useful not only for Japanese R users, but for Japanese R users, but also for the English-speaking world. And to avoid troubles with Japanese strings, non-ASCII characters. Okay, anyway, it does a bunch of different things. Here's something called Japanese colors, and it gives, so I guess you can put Japanese traditional color names in, and it will give you the RGB for those colors. So I don't know, maybe if you want to use traditional Japanese colors, you can find out the RGB and then use those RGB in your maps and so forth of or in your images within R. And one of them that I found just very quickly here is it draws a little map, and that's this one here. So if I run that here, Japanese prefectures map, so it draws a map of Japan with the prefectures, I guess. Anyway, so that's just one example of a package.